Alright, and we're back. Today's video is just another quick unpackaging. I've already dumped out the packing peanuts that were in this box. So now I'm going to unwrap the rest of it. As you can tell by the sound, let me get rid of this box out of the way here. This is the paint for the fairing. Alright, let's see. Alright, company's called Paint Scratch. Alright, so that's the clear coat. And what else we got? Alright, there's the paint. Make that out. So that's the paint for painting the fairing. They give me, supposedly, yep, here it is. They include this. This is a test card. And what you do is put a couple coats of the paint on it. And then you match it up to your vehicle to make sure that it's going to match, because they do guarantee it. So, so this is what I was needed. So hopefully next week. Right now the humidity level here in New Jersey is through the freaking roof. And I'm serious, it is like 73% humidity. So next week, actually tonight's supposed to get a cold front to come through. Humidity levels are supposed to drop like a rock. So I'm kind of hoping maybe I can strip it all back down. I got to get a gray scratch pad. Not the green or the red. I need the gray, according to my neighbor who paints cars for a living. It's a finer, I guess, gives you a finer coat without making deep scratches in the plastic, the ABS. So, and then this, the paint is supposed to give me probably 5 coats, which isn't going to be necessary. 2 to 3 should be all it'll need to cover it. And then the, then a couple coats of clear. So, but I will do the swatch, I guess is what you want to call it. So, it gives you all the information there, what you got to do if it doesn't match. But looking inside the lid, it looks pretty good, like right there. You know, without being laid down on a metal surface, not a clear plastic surface. So we'll give it a shot and we'll see what we got. Hopefully, with any luck, we'll have it painted and it'll be installed for the most part permanently, as permanent as a Memphis Shades fairing can be, because they are quick detach. That's what they're designed for. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully, it's prepping the fairing. You know, I gotta break it all back down and then prep it and then get ready for paint. So hopefully that's what you'll see the next video. All right, I'll see you guys later.